In this video, we'll talk about the difference between formative and summative usability evaluation. The terms come from educational theory, where it's used to describe student learning. Formative usability evaluation focuses on what's broken in your design. It's about fixing problems to make your product more usable as a part of the iterative design process. Simply put, it tells you what isn't usable. On the other hand, summative usability evaluation focuses on what is working. In other words, it tells you what is usable. With formative research, participant feedback is gathered through qualitative methods such as heuristic evaluation, usability testing, and interviews. You should perform formative usability testing at the start of the design phase, when you're testing out rough mockups and paper prototypes. You'll be able to discover insights and shape the design direction. Summative evaluation can only begin when the design is reasonably complete, since it involves judging the design against quantitative goals and competitive products. This way, you'll be able to determine the metrics such as time on task, completion rates, and success rates. Perform summative usability testing when you're a bit further along in the development phase, when you're testing actual working prototypes, in which you can compare test results from previous versions. You're answering the question, how usable is my product? Subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on product and UX.